step into the Ford 2016 F-150 XLT Crew Cab Pickup. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Equipment Group 300A base, trailer tow package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, radio data system, radio, single CD with SiriusXM satellite, sync voice recognition communications and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.